Good morning. I'm up in the room today. See, I don't know what I'm pointing at now. That might be my moustache from November. Please check out the links below. Well, I'm explaining about the garden. I've changed a few changes today. So, let's take a look out the window here. Yeah, a bit blue there. That's the wrong colour, surely. See, I put down old garden fences, trampoline, hedge cutters, old chair. The purpose of this is so the grass will grow underneath and keep me off the grass, principally. There you go, there's the right colour. And a bit of birdseed there, hopefully the birds will have eaten that. And I filled up that. And out this window. Nope. See, there's the fence. Where are we? No, we can't get it. Yep. Very good outfeed this morning. That's what I say. Made of junk. That's not. The idea of that is that grass will grow underneath it, and we can see it growing. Added to the fences as well. And also a place for the birds to play during the winter. And I thank you very much. And please support Movember. And join my team if you're doing it as well. Team Hasbro Ireland. Thank you.